What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. Behind me I have a nice 1989, one of the most iconic Mustangs out there besides the first generation Foxbody Mustang convertible. This is an LX 5.0 liter with an automatic transmission. Beautiful brand new tires on it. It's got the Ford Racing wheels. This came from the great state of Alabama. It was owned by a doctor. It's got no rot, no rust, but it is a driver quality. Top's in good shape. It's got a couple blemishes on the body, like right here you can see. A couple imperfections in the paint. It looks like it's original paint. So pretty much the whole car's never been painted except the bumper here has got some wear, and this does need to be addressed. It's flaking off. So paint the bumper, it'll be probably 90% original paint. Undercarriage is spotless, clean as a whistle. It's got 50,000 original miles. It runs and drives very, very well. Interior's in good shape. Seats just need to be cleaned off, but they're good. Carpet's in decent shape. A little bit of fading in the front carpet, as you can see there. Dash is in good shape. Back seat's also in good shape. Very nice. All the windows work. They go up and down on it. Let's fire it up. Should fire right up for us. Even the horn works. We'll check the signals. Turn signals. Left is working. Right is working. Windshield wipers work. Headlights work. Now, I've driven this car, probably put 300 miles on it. I've taken it out and had some fun with it. AC blows cool, but not cold. It's probably going to need a recharge or a service. Overall, it's a solid car, guys. The engine sounds great. Suspension handles well. Car drives pretty straight. So this is up for sale now at BobEvansClassics.com. Remember, we offer financing, credit score 620 or above, $2,000 down. And we can ship it to your doorstep for free. Free shipping. You heard it here. We are the only classic car dealership that does free shipping. If anybody else does it, it's after us. We were the originators of it. Free shipping on any classic cars. Appreciate you guys checking out our page. God bless the United States of America. Veterans, you get a discount, $1,000 off this car, and you get free enclosed shipping. Thank you for serving our country. Love you guys. Talk to you later.